College Boni Fibro Session Part Kejung Tip Namta Kubor Laikam Te Laikam Biang Hapo MPSC Kumba Khasautli Egipus Te Kine Kipus Laplanya Duka Praterik Jong Upanai April Arajar Apsan Kelas Tit Kendai Kendai Trik Jong Upanai Mi Kenmau Kelas Tit Kendai Kendai Trik Jong Upanai Mi Nadu Umtal Along Ban Apply Ikini Kipus Tegi Bala Ban Apply Ilong Pe Ikita Ki Tengjong Kipus Food Safety Officer under the Commissionerate of Food Safety Level 12 of Revised Pay Structure Kapus Kadai Khatsautali Mau Artali Jong UR category Khasi Jaintia Andrew Tali Garo Santali Kawai Namtaki OSC OST category Tiki Bala Apan apply Gilong Bachelor degree or Master degree or Doctorate degree in Kan mau kan in Food Technology Mudbak bu Puli degree dan master dan doctorate haka food technology, dairy technology, biotechnology or oil technology. Tangki bela mention nemo agricultural science, veterinary science, biochemistry, microbiology or chemistry or medicine from recognized university. Kane kadeka number 1. Tegine ki bala puli degree ya kine post kine subject kila apan apply. Number 2. Any other equivalent recognized qualification notified by the Food Authority with prior approval of central government. Tangki bala yo recognized the equivalent berkah Food Authority bejma. Number 3, bachelor's or master or doctorate degree from recognized institution in the following discipline. Itulah mention gini discipline baru. Kita debate pang food engineering and technology, food processing and preservation, food processing technology, food technology management, food biotechnology, food plant operation, food process engineering, food processing, food safety and quality management, process and food engineering. Tang gini kita mention naka agricultural science pada agricultural engineering, biotechnology, dairy technology, fisheries, food technology, food nutrition and dietetic, but horticulture. Tang kini boleh pilih kini ki subject pula ni ni mud kila ban apply nam ta kini ki post Khatsautali jongka food safety officer under the Commissionerate of Food Safety. Baru kini di apply online kan mau kita apply de online te kasnem ka debe kumjuhi khatpra du live news nem nam ta ki SC/ST kategori te kita apply la apply ka by application kan long by shispa new pusan tingka nakam ta ki SC/ST nam ta ki general kan dai live pa san pau tingka te tangine ki nyuptip kulish bun